Apple is gearing up to release the much-anticipated iPhone SE 4, with industry insiders suggesting that the launch is scheduled for early 2025, most likely in March. However, a pressing question arises: should you hold out for this new model when premium options like the iPhone 15 Pro and the forthcoming iPhone 16 series are already available? We already created a detailed comparison video between the iPhone SE 4 and the iPhone 16 series, which you can find a link in the description. But how does Apple's 4th generation iPhone SE measure up against the iPhone 15 Pro? These two devices are tailored to serve entirely different audiences, each with unique needs and priorities. On one hand, the iPhone SE 4 is crafted for users seeking a more affordable smartphone option without sacrificing quality. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro stands as a flagship device packed with cutting-edge features, designed for tech-savvy enthusiasts and professionals looking for top-tier performance. Let's dive deeper into the standout features and major differences between these two models. The iPhone SE 4 features a design inspired by the iPhone 14, showcasing a sleek 6.1-inch OLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate and thinner bezels. It adopts a modern look with the removal of the Touch ID button, which has been replaced by Face ID technology. This device is expected to be lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro boasts a strong and lightweight titanium design, making it Apple's lightest Pro model ever. It features a 6.1-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The Pro model also includes a customizable action button and a refined brush texture. In terms of performance, the iPhone 15 Pro excels with its superior display and refresh rate. The iPhone SE 4 will be powered by the latest A18 chipset, offering impressive performance. It comes with 8GB of RAM and storage options of up to 256GB, with the possibility of an increase to 512GB, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient operation. Additionally, the SE 4 supports Apple's first in-house 5G modem, which will provide faster internet speeds. In contrast, the iPhone 15 Pro is equipped with the A17 Pro chip, the industry's first 3nm chip, delivering unparalleled performance and gaming experiences. It also comes with 8GB of RAM and storage options of up to 1TB, making it ideal for heavy users and professionals. The iPhone 15 Pro features Qualcomm Snapdragon X70 modem. Overall, the iPhone SE 4 stands out with its powerful A18 chip, 8GB of RAM, and integrated Apple 5G modem. The iPhone SE 4 features a single 48-megapixel rear camera and a 12-megapixel front camera, delivering sharp and clear photos. It includes enhancements to night mode and smart HDR, making it suitable for everyday photography. In contrast, the iPhone 15 Pro is equipped with a triple camera system that consists of a 48-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This model supports 3x optical zoom, 10-bit HDR, and Dolby Vision HDR, providing professional-grade photography and videography capabilities. Additionally, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers an exclusive 5x telephoto camera. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro excels in the camera department. The iPhone SE 4 is anticipated to feature a larger battery than its predecessors, with a capacity of 3,279 mAh. It will support USB-C for faster charging and enhanced power efficiency. In comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro offers a 3,274 mAh battery that provides all-day battery life. It also supports USB Type-C for super fast charging and includes a ceramic shield for added durability. Both devices have nearly the same battery capacity and can charge at the same speed of up to 20 watt, utilizing a USB Type-C charging port. Additionally, both phones will benefit from battery optimization powered by AI, making it a tie in terms of battery performance. The iPhone SE 4 will be equipped with top-of-the-line hardware, including an 18-chip and 8GB of RAM, allowing it to support all of Apple's advanced intelligence features. Similarly, the iPhone 15 Pro, featuring the A17 Pro chipset and also 8GB of RAM, will support the complete suite of Apple's AI capabilities. Therefore, both phones are equally capable of utilizing Apple's latest AI features. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to be priced between $499 and $549, making it an affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the iPhone 15 Pro is priced higher at $999, reflecting its premium built-in features. In this comparison, the iPhone SE 4 stands out by offering premium features at a much more accessible price point. In conclusion, both the iPhone SE 4 and the iPhone 15 Pro offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The iPhone SE 4 presents excellent value for money with its modern design and upgraded specifications, while the iPhone 15 Pro excels in top-tier performance, an advanced camera system, and premium build quality. Your choice will depend on your budget and specific requirements. I believe that the iPhone SE4 will be the best value for money option upon its release in a few months. With a price difference of $450 to $500 compared to the iPhone 15 Pro, both devices are expected to deliver nearly identical performance and features. The SE4 could gain a significant advantage if it includes the A18 chipset, potentially surpassing the A17 Pro, which is in the iPhone 15 Pro. However, it remains uncertain whether Apple will equip the SE4 with the A18. It might instead feature the A17 Pro, as seen in the iPad Mini 7. The A17 Pro is powerful enough to support Apple Intelligence features, and even with this chip, the SE4 remains a more appealing choice than the iPhone 15 Pro due to its cost efficiency. What are your thoughts on both phones? Which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you all in the next video.